Okay, take two, because I'm not sure if my audio was on. So I didn't get to start recording this trade when I jumped into it, but nonetheless, we are in the sniper algorithm set up in the futures market, taking a trade right here, a short trade, as we have an indicator going from green to purple in the gray zone, indicating a short. So we jumped in a little bit late. You can see here where I marked where I got in. I got in right here, and so far we're in profit, and hopefully this will hit our target or targets pretty soon. I put my limit order down here because I want to get out on a close below this level here. But just in case it spikes, 2R, we're out. Same thing, spike up here, we're out. So that's kind of what we're looking at right here. So yep, we'll move the stop when the time is right, and then we'll trail or do whatever we got to do with our limit order when that time is right. So I'll bring the conclusion to you. All right, so I'm not going to be able to manage my trade or do anything with the market as I'm getting ready to head out of town. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even plus a couple bucks. So worst case scenario, that's where I end up. And then best case scenario, we'll hit this target right here. I'd like to do a close below this level for the sniper. But because I'm going to be traveling and I'm not going to be able to monkey with this, I'm just going to leave it right here. We'll take what the market gives me, and then we'll bounce out. So, I mean, what are we talking about? 86 to 82, $4 is 20 bucks basically. So it's a decent little chunk of change. So we'll see if it hits this target. And if not, we'll leave our stop there. So, all right, that's it. I'll be back at the conclusion, or yeah, see you then. All right, so that was fast. So I just locked in basically the target was 83.45 roughly. So we're $1 off, not even $1, 75 cents off our target, locked in. All right, there we go. So I was giving it a chance to just fully break down, but I'm good. I'm good with that. I'm out. I don't have to worry about this while I'm traveling. I can know that I'm out of my trade. I'm going to check monitor because the other day got messed up in here. No open orders. All thing is filled and closed. All right, we're good. All right, there we go. So another winner with the sniper. What a roller coaster though, because we got in here late and then it went way against us. If it closed above this level, I was gonna have to get out. So when it was up here, I was like, uh-oh. But it didn't close, came back down, and that's why we have our stop up here. So when we get spikes like this, we don't get tagged unless there's a close above this 1R level. So no close, sold off, made some money. All right, everybody, have a great week. I'll see you next week, Monday. I'll be back trading. All right, everybody, later. Actually, no, I won't. I'll be out of town until Tuesday or Wednesday, so I'll be back next Wednesday. All right, everybody, see ya.